In this video, I'm gonna go into the live markets, the real markets, and it's currently 9 a.m. Eastern time. I'm gonna literally show you me trade live. No BS, no fluff, step by step, just pure action. And you know, it's currently 9 a.m. Eastern time, so in 30 minutes the session will open. And I literally just woke up, so this as real as it gets, okay? As real as it fucking gets. This is not gonna be one of those videos where there's a fake guru who just shows you a chart of a trade that already been taken, because that's just, you know, in my opinion, that's just BS, because where's the proof? Where's you actually trading? So I'm gonna literally show you me in the live action in the markets, because, you know, that's transparency. And the reason why I record these videos is because I wish there would have been someone record videos like these back when I was unprofitable. Now I've been profitable for 2 years, but you know, I had to go through my ups and downs before, because there wasn't videos like these, there wasn't transparency in the space. You know, now I'm in the trading space, teaching, bringing the transparency and literally showing everything step by step. And yeah, let's get into the markets. Enough talking, let's go. I'm not ready to retrace here. I took it. That's what's up, guys. So that happened fast. All right, my short the markets. I de-risked on this one. Okay, we hit stops to break even, guys. Stops to BE, guys. Okay, there we go. Stops to BE. That's cool. I'm still up 800 for today. Okay, man. So I essentially just finished up live trading with the team in the Discord, but now it's time for a quick little trade recap, because I want everybody to understand why and how did I take this trade. So essentially 9:30 a.m. as usual, you know, that's when the session opens. You know, that's when we start looking for trades, because, you know, then will be the most volume in stock indices, stocks, you know, all the USD pairs, right? This is NAS 100/NQ, right? So this is what I traded today. And essentially, session open. I can literally just go in replay mode. I can explain you. So look at this. This is right here. What I did, I started to mark out some 50-minute highs, and there was also a 50-minute low right here. It starts to go up from here and take out the remaining 15-minute up highs from here, 15-minute highs from here. Took out that, and we'll see immediate reaction to the downside, because liquidity is something I could switch the direction momentarily. So we do that essentially. Look at this. Look at this. We go to the 1 minute time frame. What we now want to see after the liquidity, we want to see two breakout structures to the downside to confirm the trend direction switch. So essentially, like this, low lows, low highs, low lows. That's two BOSs. So essentially now we had one, because this is our first breakout structure, right? This is our low. We broke structure. And now we want to see a lower high. Look at this. What is this now? Low lows, lower highs, low lows. We want to see this right here again. And then it broke structure. Look at this. It broke structure right here. However, I wanted to retrace into this line right here, into this line. It did that, and I got entered right here. My broker filled me in. My live broker filled me right here, and I got a very nice entry. I like that. And put the stop loss above the most recent lower high. Like, look at this. This is lower low, lower high. Put the stop loss right here. I mean, above this order block, which is this up candle. And then I put the break even below this low right here that we previously were. And this is where I entered. And then I target this 30-minute. We had this 30-minute liquidity low right here. I targeted that at my one and only take profit. No partials, because, you know, I didn't want to have partials. Then we go there. Boom. Respect. And look at this. Look at this. This is why we target liquidity, guys, because liquidity is something that can and most definitely will usually switch the direction trend, at least momentarily. And on the second trade, I didn't lose or make money necessarily in this one, because this was a stop to break even trade, but I can literally just show you what happened in here. So this is the trade I entered by simply following this downtrend, because literally look at this. This is our low lows, low highs, low lows, broke structure right here. I entered. I got entered. My broker filled me in here, my live broker right there, and I then continued down. Stops to break even hits, so I removed the risk from the trade like this, and then we pretty much tap into the stops to break even. So no money made, no money lost. So overall $800 for today. Hey yo, $800 just like that. And literally my trading day is officially over. My job is finished 11 a.m. Eastern time. And you know, for the quick fact, I literally trade 1 hour into the session maximum a day. So literally, you know, that's the freedom of trading. You know, you don't have to be in the chart for too long to make money. Okay, you actually have to trade less to make more money. That's a quick fact. But literally 2 trades taken today, $800. First trade $800, second trade none because it was a break even. But you know, that's just me being real, showing everything, unlike all these freaking trading fake gurus. But yeah man, hope you found this video helpful. And if you want to get mentored by me personally and take every single trade that I take, literally I'm live there every single day with my premium students making money, and when I get paid, they will get paid, they get results. If you want to be a part of the team, then click the first link in the description. There's only limited spots left. So if you click the link in the description and it says there's no spots left, then that's unfortunate. Maybe there will be in the future. But if you click it and there is spots, then that's good. You can get to the team. And yeah, man, I will live trade every single day. But yeah, man, regardless, hope you learned from this one. As usual, I will see you on the other side. Peace out.